sir. I'll talk to you. What's up, man?
What's going on?
What's going on? You're scaring the passengers.
Scaring the passengers?
She didn't want to talk to you.
You don't want bats and all that?
You're going to jail in 5 seconds.
I'm cool.
No, you're not. Go over there and sit down and sober up.
2 calls, 1 terminal, and 2 very different kinds of trouble. A man too drunk to fly kept drifting back towards strangers he was told to leave alone. Weeks later, at the same airport, a fight would blur the line between victim and aggressor. What the law does with each turns on a detail easy to miss.
Sure thing.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. No, don't go inside. Go down there and sober up, man.
Right. My plane,
What airline?
Right, it's Spirit Airlines.
You got your ticket?
Yes, sir. I was waiting for my boys.
Go get your ticket. Go inside. Go get it. Go get on the flight. Alright? They're not going to let you fly if you do that. Alright, go ahead and go inside. Alright. Go ahead, go catch the flight. Don't scare the passengers. Yeah. Nah, not right here. I haven't been to the beach in years. For you it is. Go ahead and go on inside. Go get your flight, man.
You just have any trouble there in
Alright.
here. Okay, Bravo 30, copy.
Alright, hold on.
Hey!
Come here.
What are you doing, man?
Come here.
Oh, come on, buddy. Drop that, please. Drop that, please. Drop that, please. We told you, bud. We got your plane ticket and everything.
Yeah, you just
You can't be walking around here drunk like this, man.
Alright, come on.
Alright, fine.
Hold up. You're gonna do it.
You got it? Let me double lock it.
Yeah, go ahead. Get my other pocket.
Alright, hold on. Hey, get her name if you can. Hey, can you get her name?
She's not with me.
I know she's not with you. Is he bothering you?
What do you say to you?
Yeah. We just want to he's been doing this all for a couple hours now, but we just want to lock it in.
We've been patient with him for
Got on your plane ticket.
Alright. We can't have you bothering everybody. Alright?
I'm trying to go
I know you're a good guy.
I'm just trying to go
But the
home.
problem is all these people, they don't want anything to do with you.
I just want to go home.
Yeah, but
dude.
this lady, you understand what I'm saying? You understand what we're saying?
I understand.
Can you imagine if it was your
I
sister
understand.
or your girlfriend?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So your intoxication is just not working.
All right, fine. I'm just trying to go back to DC.
We got a ticket for the morning. See, what you're gonna do is go to jail tonight. If you can get out before then, you got a flight tomorrow. All right? Think you can get out tonight?
You can get a bed and a meal.
Unbelievable.
You'll be sober by the time you get out. All right?
Unbelievable.
All right. All right, we got it.
What did he do?
Yeah. What did he say? He's at me. Yeah.
They asked me if going to Miami.
He was asking you what?
Go to Miami.
Going to Miami. Okay. All right. Hey, thank you.
You really don't mess around down here.
No, dude. We've been talking to you for how long? 3 hours? That's 3 hours. All these police officers.
I'm trying to get on a plane.
Yeah, but you didn't make it. You know why? Because the airline called.
Yeah, okay. Fair
Hey,
enough.
thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, we've been dealing with him for like 3 hours now.
Okay, thank you.
We gave him tons of breaks.
I was
Nah.
happy to see you.
All right, come on. We're gonna go. Listen, you'll be sober when you get out. You can fly out, okay? If we can reschedule.
My bag. You guys have my bag?
Oh, I'll let them know. Yeah, we got your bag, buddy. What case number are we gonna use? Yeah. Yeah.
What, drunk in public?
3 Bravo 42.
Drunk in public?
What's the cost? 51?
Is that federal offense? No, I'm glad I'm here.
No, you're safe, man. We're gonna take you somewhere else sober up.
Yeah.
All right.
I think it's stupid.
Yeah, so much opportunity.
Last time I fly. Hey, let it be known. Let it be known.
Right.
Hey, this is the first time I've ever flown.
Okay.
Second time I've ever flown.
Right. So you were trying to make it back, but
Well, we give you a lot of opportunity, man.
Well, I drink a lot.
yeah, that's not good for you.
That's not good.
Yeah.
It's not good.
No, you can't keep drinking like this.
success.
Yeah. Or maybe it's you're a nice guy, but you drink and now. What's going on?
Why are you fighting with you?
Send me a unit. Got a 22 upper level door. 324.
Yeah, fucking guy just hit me.
Who's guy?
This motherfucker.
Sir, I need to come back. You pressing charges or what? Have a seat. Have a seat. Have a seat now.
Yeah.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
I'll press charges.
Just stick around.
I got time. I'll fly out 250.
You couldn't just get on your flight, right?
Huh? I'm right here. Officer.
Alpha 30 got 1 detained for battery. You got your ID on you?
Huh?
You got your ID on you? You okay? You need rescue?
More
Tell me what happened.
He just was irate with everybody. And then he started to you. I just woke up sleeping. And I said, dude, don't talk to me. He's out here saying, yo, you want to fight? And he pushed me. Put his hands on me, and then that was it.
Alright. You hurt anywhere?
Yeah, I'm not hurting.
Alright. And where did this start? Right here? Right in front?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, and people tell me that there was a fight.
I left him alone. I'm walking back in the airport. He jumped on my back. Next thing you know, I'm on the floor. He's on my back. Right here.
Inside?
Right here. Yeah, I had to fight him off. I left him out here. Next thing you know, I just feel this weight on my back. And I'm like, yo, it's this dude on me. Potato.
Antagonized me.
He's got my damn pressure on.
It's complete bullshit. You antagonized me.
No crime against antagonizing.
What?
No crime against antagonizing.
Did you see this occur, like from the beginning or no?
Not from the beginning, but he was insulting one of the attendants there.
Who was he?
The
black guy or the white guy?
The white guy.
Okay.
And then he called me, you fat. Flipped me. So yeah, he was already aggressive.
But did you see what he did to that gentleman or no?
I saw parts of like when he was in the ground, and I'm pretty sure he started, but I didn't see how.
You didn't see it, but you saw him
Yeah,
on top of the other guy? You're with the news?
Yes. It would have been perfect that thing was rolling, you know.
He was going to Newport, so they didn't let him board because I think he's under having alcohol, I don't know.
All right, appreciate it.
Well, I just there's blood on your shirt, so I didn't know if that's your blood or what's wrong. Where are you bleeding?
Don't know. I can't move my hand, so I don't know. Do you see it? No?
taste anything in your mouth?
Yeah, my back tooth is all the way. Yeah, my back tooth is busted.
Back tooth?
Back tooth.
Okay.
Yeah, it's fucked.
So basically, like the sergeant explained to you.
Thank you, officer.
Hey, take care. Explained to you is because of the disengagement, and then you went back after him. If he wants to press charges,
Then we both gotta
then
go.
you gotta go, right? So I explained to him already that if he doesn't want to press charges on you and you don't want to press charges to him, then basically we write it up as and
Let him go. I don't want
goes,
charges.
all right.
Let him. If he probably.
I just need you to just sign an affidavit just saying you don't want to press charges. I'll have the other guy do the same thing.
No problem.
And it's just paperwork for us
No
now.
problem.
All right?
No
That
problem.
sounds good?
Yeah, my feelings.
That's what you want, right?
My feelings
Okay.
are just hurt. That's all. No problem.
Yeah, I mean, you would have been good is if you never went back.
Yeah.
All right? Unfortunately, at that point,
I was still going.
You go from-
once he pushed me, I was still
that?
going. When I started chucking this shit,
No matter what you're saying, you're right.
no, I know that.
Do the battery.
I'm talking about the
I think
battery
he was
part.
going to get
But either way,
something I had already
the
thrown.
way he was
So-
acting inside the terminals, I got him giving the bird to the employees yelling at him so he can go for the UI.
And I think when he walked away, where y'all saying he was re-engaging, he was going to get the first stuff I threw out in the street. The first bag, and then I looked and I just happened to, my mind kept going.
Under Florida Statute Section 856.011, being drunk in public is not a crime by itself. The statute requires intoxication paired with either endangering someone or causing an actual public disturbance. That is why the officers waited, redirecting the man again and again before making any arrest. Each renewed approach to uninvolved passengers is what finally satisfied the disturbance element. The second call turned on Florida Statute Section 784.03, the battery law. Battery means an intentional, unwanted touch, and no injury is required to prove it. The detained man framed himself as the defender, and self-defense can be a complete answer to battery. But self-defense in Florida must be proportional, and it protects only genuine defense. Once a person safely breaks away and then goes back, the law stops treating the renewed contact as defense. His own account supplied the very fact that turned a fight into a battery. When an officer gives repeated warnings before an arrest, those warnings are not hesitation. They build the record that a low-level charge like disorderly intoxication actually requires. Complying early keeps a night of second chances from ending in a booking photo. When a confrontation ends and the other person walks away, the danger is past. Returning to settle the score converts a possible self-defense claim into a crime the returner committed. The safest and most defensible move is to let distance do the work. When two people injure each other and neither wishes to prosecute, officers often document and release. Signing a declination is a real legal choice that closes the matter rather than starting a case. Two men understood that, and both walked out instead of into the system. Restraint from an officer and restraint from a citizen shaped how each of these nights ended. Let us know what interaction should be examined next in the comments below.